For using the bean grinder, first make sure that you have beans up top, and then put the filter basket into the portafilter. Then push that into the holder, let's say, and press start. Once you see that that the filter is fairly full, you can pull it out and then tamp that down by placing it on the countertop and using your strength. Then, if you like a strong coffee, you can add more. Make sure it's good and flat, again by and brush off the top, the beans, the ground beans on top with your hand. You're all set.